Good day. Welcome to Simple Maths TV. For today, we are going to look at the fastest way to factor quadratic trinomials. This technique is called slide and divide. Let's get started. For our first example, let's factor 4x squared minus 17x plus 15. The first thing that we need to do is to slide the numerical coefficient of x squared. In this case, we will slide 4. Sliding means we multiply 4 with a constant 15. That's 4 multiplied to 15 is equal to 60. Next, we will rewrite the trinomial without the numerical coefficient 4 and using the constant 60. Now we have x squared minus 17x plus 60. This time, we will look into the factors of 60 whose sum is the coefficient of the variable x, which is negative 17. Since the middle term is negative, we are certain that the factors must be negative as well. Let's try some factor pairs. We see that negative 12 and negative 5 are factors of 60. Whose sum is negative 17. Therefore, we write x minus 12 and x minus 5. Lastly, we will divide the constants by the numerical coefficient 4. That's 12 divided by 4 and 5 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3, so we write x minus 3. Since 5 divided by 4 is not a whole number, we slide 4 in front and use it as the coefficient of x. We have 4x minus 5. And this is now the factored form. For our second example, let us factor 10x squared plus 41x plus 40. First, we will slide 10. That's 10 times 40 equals 400. Next, we will rewrite the trinomial without the numerical coefficient of 10, and using the constant 400. We now have x squared plus 41x plus 400. This time, we will find a factor pair of 400 whose sum is 41. Since 400 and 41 are both positive, we are certain that the factors are positive as well. Let's try some pairs. We see that 25 and 16 are factors of 400 whose sum is 41. Hence, we write x plus 25 and x plus 16 as factors of the trinomial. Lastly, we divide the constants by the numerical coefficient 10. That's 25 divided by 10 and 16 divided by 10. 25 over 10 can be simplified as 5 halves. So we write x plus 5 halves. 16 over 10 can be simplified as 8 fifths. So we write x plus 8 fifths. Let us rewrite our factors. We slide 2 in front and have 2x plus 5. We slide 5 in front and have 5x plus 8. This is now the factored form. That's a wrap. As always, thank you for watching and supporting my channel. I'll see you again next time. Stay safe and God bless you. Mabuhay.